If I had 3 wishes and I got those 3 wishes from a genie, then I would wish for, let me think, 6, 7, and mustard, and a goonfish. Now, if you don't know about the blue gentleman, he's the one who's like, ho, 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 blue, you sent your blue out, and he's like always running around, being all blue and jolly, and screaming in the desert with a bag on